Hi, I'm Leanne and I'm the practice manager here at M&J Dental. Today I'm going to be talking to you about cleaning in between your teeth. There are many different methods of how to clean between your teeth, but the reason why we should do this is to keep the mouth healthy. Most of us are very good at toothbrushing, but food and debris can gather between the teeth where a toothbrush can't reach. If this plaque and bacteria is left behind, then this can cause the gums to become inflamed, which can lead to gum disease and even tooth decay. So it's very important that we are cleaning in between our teeth. And I'm going to show you some methods of how this can be done. The most common method that people have heard of is flossing. So dental floss is really good for people with tight spaces between their teeth, but it can be a little bit tricky, so I'm going to show you the correct way. Take a piece of floss about so long, and then what you should do is wrap this between your middle fingers. So wrap it all the way until you have about this much left. That way you have your index finger and your thumb to manipulate the floss and you just have better control. So what you should do is take the floss down between the contacts of the teeth and just below the gum line in a C shape, and then bring it back up the tooth. You then move onto a clean piece of floss and repeat the process again. So you go down between the teeth in a C shape, just below the gum, and back up. That's dental floss. Another method, which you may have heard of, is interdental brushes. Interdental brushes come in a range of different colours and sizes. You can also get soft ones and ones at an angle as well, which just help reach those really difficult areas. Interdental brushes generally people find a bit easier to use, but the trick is to obviously select the largest brush possible that fits comfortably in between the teeth. So you take it in between the contacts, just at the gum line, and that just removes all the bacteria and plaque away. The brushes will eventually become worn, and what you must do is just rinse them after each use. If they become too worn, you should get about a week's use out of them and then just replace them. Some people can't get on with the interdental brushes because the contacts are too tight and they just can't get on with floss. So there is another method, which is called a wishbone or a floss pick. And this is used in a similar way to dental floss, but obviously it's on a handle, which makes it a little easier. So you take the floss down in between the contacts, just below the gum line, bring it back up the tooth, and then this should be rinsed before it's then moved into another space. I hope that's been a help for you today. If you have any other questions, then give us a call, or you can see myself or Lauren, our hygienist, at your next hygiene appointment, and we can talk you through these methods.